Wait. Right. Let me see. Up to see Spider-Man. A carjacker just made up with someone's car. It was just a second ago. And it's an Uncle Man. He must turn up.
Give it to me straight. Do I look fat in these tights?
Spider-Man, a carjacker just made off with someone's car. It was just a second ago.
Yes!
No, please.
The Black Man!
Not while I have anything to say.
He's coming! Oh God! Oh! Oh, that's one! Oh no! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is so close! It's a Black Man! This should be Uncle Man to see that! That is so close!
Bugging you? I'm not touching Rick in the car!
It's really kind this time! Yikes!
Whoa! This thing! Get this stuff out of my face! I can't move!
Oh no! He went the wrong way! He went the wrong way! Look at him! The police went the wrong way! No! He shouldn't have done that! He should keep straight! I stopped him there! Now don't turn right this time, please! Please don't turn right! Go straight, the car is right in front of you! Oh, come on! No, no, no! It can't be serious, that! It's gonna be serious if you don't get in there! He needs to go straight, not turn right. Oh, come on. Come on, don't do this again. Don't do this again. Oh, no, look what he's done. He's gone straight up. He's gone straight up now. Now he has to go all the way and turn round again. No. I can't believe this. I can't believe this, man. Turn left. Turn and go straight this time. Don't play around with me now. Go straight. Oh, come on. No. 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 I can't believe this. Come on, you gotta go straight on foot. You gotta go straight, man. Come on. Right. This time, do not turn right. Go straight ahead. Do not turn right. I'm warning you. Do not turn right. Yes! That's the way you play the game.
Hey, you have the car back, right? Some people get so
Hey!
crazy about every little
Where's he
crap.
going?
Get out of the way!
Where's the Black Man going? He's going the wrong way. Look at him.